Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can transfer money from Binance to Payoneer. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, I'm going to guide you through the steps, so make sure to watch the video till the end, and here we go. First thing first, go ahead and access your Binance app right over here. Once you have gone your Binance app, you're going to go to the section of wallet. Simply go to your Binance wallet, and from there we will tap on this option of withdraw. Once you've tapped on the withdraw, we're going to select the currency, the fiat currency that we would like to withdraw. Once you have chosen that, we're going to go ahead and select Payoneer on the withdrawal method, and going to add in the Payoneer account's detail like the account number, bank name, and the account ID, etc. Once I have provided the information, we will be able to go to the next step where we will have to enter the withdrawal amount. Go ahead and add in the desired amount you would like to withdraw or transfer. Next up, checking out the information all in one, and once you're done with the information, you are happy, then tap on confirm and your transaction will go through. Then once you are done, you will also receive a notification from Binance itself as well as from Payoneer once it has been received over there. That's it. That's how we do. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.